Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Insight. 40 miles per gallon. Smooth ride. Performance. Exterior. Interior. Honda Insight has it all. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.